Hey guys, so I got a new skincare product. This was sent for me from Duvolle, and this is pretty cool. This is their Radiance skincare system. You get 4 interchangeable brushes, 2 of which are for cleansing the face or the body. You get a pumice and also an exfoliator. This does run on 4 AA batteries, and this was actually pretty relaxing. I never used anything like this, so this was kind of cool for an experience, you know. All I did was just wet my face with water, put my facial cleanser on that thing, and went ham. There you go. Now they do sell a bunch of things on their website. They have hair curlers, hair straighteners, skincare. So if you're interested and you want to save a little bit of coin, then use the code FLIPPIN70. You'll save 70% off. If you want, you don't have to, just saying. But all in all, I really did enjoy using this product. My face felt nice and clean, smooth, and it was pretty fun to use. Alright, so let's be real here. I'm actually going nowhere. I was supposed to film this before I went to the birthday party, but that did not happen. So anyways, I just put some hair curlers in just to give me some volume up for, you know, myself. And then I went in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I have a review of this product if you want to see it, link down below. This is a great foundation. You just want to make sure you moisturize really well because it can tend to look a little bit cakey if you don't on the dry patches. And you're just going to want to blend that into your skin. And then to fake the illusion of getting sleep, you're just going to put a lot of concealer on, a few shades lighter, and make sure you blend it so that it looks seamless. So I've been getting into cream contouring lately just because it looks so natural. I feel maybe. This e.l.f. foundation palette is really great for that. It's affordable and it's pigmented and it gets the job done. Just want to make sure you set your face with the powder, whether it's loose or pressed. This way it doesn't slip and slide everywhere. And if you want, you go in with a powder bronzer on top of the contour you just did. Then I'm just going to touch it up with some blush, and boom, you're coming back to life. You're not looking like a ghost. So this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter is still by far one of the best drugstore highlighters that I've tried. This is in the shade 50 Molten Rose Gold. Just in case you're interested, I broke this several times, but it's great. Taking this e.l.f. brow pencil, this is really nice if you already have full brows. This is great to fill in the little sparse areas and just comb through it, give it a little color, brush away some of that powder. It's affordable. I think it's like $2. And now I'm going in with this hard candy palette I got for $1 during Christmas last year. But it's really good. So I used the matte brown as basically my transition color, smoked it out. I love that smoky look. It's like the only look I know how to do. I just put that on my crease, and then using my fingers, it packs on the color a lot better in my opinion. But I just put a little bit of that red on the lid and put a little bit of that black, just easy and beasy, tiny little bit of black on the outer corners of the V, and bring it to the bottom lash line also, don't forget. So using this light highlight shade, I'm going to put that in the inner corners just so that it attracts some light in there, brighten up the eyes slightly. And then I'm going to go in with the pencil eyeliner. Doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go in with a smudger later to smudge it out. I only lined about halfway of my waterline. I didn't want to do too much. I wanted to keep my eyes a little bit open this time. And then I just put mascara. If you want to put some falsies on, it will bring it to the next level, I promise. And then that's pretty much the eyes. You could do whatever lips you want. I'm a nude kind of gal. And boom, he's done.
are a new generation. A generation of fighters, a generation of thinkers. Exploring the galaxy for love. A new era is dying. A new hope is coming. A 21st century. 21st century love.
It's the century of a lifetime. Baby, pack your bags. Tell your sisters don't cry. I'll be there Friday